Good morning. Today we're headed over to the New Jersey Salvage vehicle inspection. I'm taking my ZX6R 2024 to get it inspected for a rebuild title. I believe I have everything put together, but you never know. These things are not easily decided. You don't get to pick and choose what they pass and what they fail. So fingers crossed, hand to God, let's hope everything goes well and the bike passes inspection. I get a rebuild title, so I'm able to ride my bike this season and I don't have to pay another $100 and spend $200 on a U-Haul just to get a truck with a trailer and take my bike down to get inspected. Otherwise, I'll have to get a hitch tow installed on my Subaru and then buy a motorcycle trailer, the motorcycle dolly, the one that goes like on a hitch, so you're able to load motorcycles on top of it. I may have to get one of those if this doesn't work out, because approximately around $400-500 instead of getting a U-Haul every single time I need to tow my motorcycle somewhere. So that'll be preferably easier and more than likely cheaper in the long run. So that is the goal. So come with me, let's take this motorcycle down and we'll see from there what we have. I'll let you guys know if we pass, if we fail, what they say. Are they gonna say why I failed? Are they gonna say why I passed? That I have no idea. But at the end of the day, we ball. Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. What in the New Jersey driving am I doing? Thanks for letting me in. I need to remember I'm driving a truck with a trailer. Not driving a small tiny car where I can just slide. You really can't miss the exit in New Jersey. Your next exit will be like 20 miles away. So if you ever come to New Jersey, just don't miss the exit. Unless you have all day. Then you're fine. Let me in. Come on. How's a dickhead move, BMW? Straight dickhead move. You didn't have to let me in, but at the end of the day, you don't have to be a dickhead. Oh shit, you fuckhead. Oh, SG, that's a military car. That recruiter? Is someone getting down to MEPS? Or are they just chilling? Bro, going to MEPS on Monday? What brokers instead of, and it's riding I barely know her, and she already know what it is. No, I'm not looking for the one, baby, I'm having fun. I'm down cause I'm always getting hurt, won't be here for long. Baby, you can hit me if you want, but I gotta keep myself first. You can hit, so we can touch and do it often. But if you're here looking for others, so you lost me. Yeah. We can kiss, we can touch and do it often. I have no fucking idea what's going on. But if you're here looking for others, when you lost me. Yeah. So the inspection went great. I passed. So the next steps, we have to take the trailer and the truck back home, unload the bike. Once we have the bike offloaded, I have to clean up the truck, get some fuel, make sure everything is within order, and then drop this truck back off at U-Haul, order me an Uber to take me back home, and we should be more or less good. And I'll have to make an appointment with the DMV so I can get my rebuild title done. I believe I have prior arrangements for tomorrow, so I cannot go to the DMV or set up an appointment for tomorrow in order to get my title and registration moved over. The title is in my name. I don't know why I said that. So basically, what the fuck? I need to stop at a Wawa and grab a Red Bull because I'm barely functioning as it is right now. That coffee that I drank earlier did not hit the spot. It missed all the spots. Hello, cop. I'm really excited I passed my inspection because I was stressing about having to do this all over again. And the fact that I don't have to is fucking gold. I need a Wawa. See, for someone that lives in New Jersey, you can't go this long without seeing a Wawa. The fact that I've gone this long without seeing one, that means I'm in South Jersey. That's all this means. South Jersey does not have enough Wawas or a decent 7-Eleven. That's cheap gas though, that's cheap gas. What the fuck? The fuck am I doing? I need to get gas down here. We passed the NJ rebuild title inspection, so now we're heading back home, offload the bike, and take the trailer and truck back. Now getting gas, and I still haven't found a Wawa. No shot. What in the cheap fucking strap? You're fucking with me right now. Effective ass strap.